how to recover deleted Telegram messages. If you accidentally deleted an entire chat, usually right when you delete it, you'll find the option to undo it. And otherwise, as soon as you've deleted it, just turn off your Wi-Fi and unplug any sort of connection to the internet and enable flight mode. And then after that, you can just see the deleted messages, and when you're connected back to the internet, you can try to get back the messages again. Now, if that doesn't work, your Android phone has a feature called notification history, which will keep track of notifications or anything that you've received. So if someone sent you a message, you received a notification, your phone will keep track of that notification, and even if that person deletes the message, your phone can still show you the notification that it received. For that, you can simply open up settings. Now, this is only an Android feature, by the way, and you want to go to notifications and quick settings. And from here, you want to go to more or advanced settings, depending upon the phone you're using. And you want to scroll down and tap on notification history. And when you've done that, you will be able to see all of the notifications that you received. You want to just look for Telegram and just open that up, and you should be able to find the notifications that you've received from Telegram, which also might include the messages. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.